good. There's a common for the snob. I know it's been coming for some time. Already to the sunny city, it'll rain the sunny day. I know, shining down like a water. I don't know have you ever seen the rain. I want to know have you ever seen the rain. Coming in the sunny day. Easily in the days before. Sun is cold and the rain is hot. I know it's been coming for some time. Super evil of all it goes. You are super fast. I know can't stop. I wonder. I would know have you ever seen the rain? I would know have you ever seen the rain? Coming in the sunny. Oh yeah. Someone told me long ago there's a common for this now. I know it's been coming for some time. Already to the sunny city, it'll rain the sunny. I know I can't stop. I wonder. I would know have you ever seen the rain? I would know have you ever seen the rain? Coming in the sunny.
I guess thanks for supporting us over the years.
It's given me a lot of
Yeah.
fun. It's been great going to Japan, and we love coming there, and fans have always been great to us there. They would bring gifts, and always so nice and polite, and we have a good time there. Of course, we will miss our fans, but we've played many shows in Japan over the years, and fans have got to see the Ramones a lot of times, and I'm sure Ramones fans would not want to see the Ramones come and not perform at the level that they've come to expect. They don't want that. They want to remember the Ramones as what they are.
But thanks for everything.